Hello and welcome to NewsClick and Communalism Combat. Today we are going to talk about this new draft of a law against mob lynching, and to talk on the issue we have with us Mr. Prakash Ambedkar. Welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you.
So what is the need for this Masuka Act?
See, question is, in the first place, there is no law in which a mob who lynched a person is being made as an accused. So that was one of the reasons why this new law is there. Second, what was there is that no officer inquiring or the MD, whoever was there, has been held responsible. So we have made them responsible. These are the two major changes that we have brought about.
So what is the constitutionality of this draft?
See, the constitutionality it's a valid draft. There's no bar to this kind of a law. It's only that it has not been passed in this country. As I've said, that lynching is basically was a principle that was used against the untouchables and the backward classes. But since the society was changing, in those acts, lynching was not used. But the society changing, so the law has to reflect what is there within the society. But now this lynching culture is coming back again, and therefore we said that this lynching now needs to be codified, and therefore in the act we have codified what lynching means.
So, in the provisions of the draft, there are provisions to punish the government officials as well.
Of course, yeah, the provision is there.
So, what was the need to include?
See, question is you have to fix the responsibility. You can't say that I inquired and nothing came out. If that is the case, then the person who is inquiring has to be made responsibility, and to make the seriousness of his responsibility, we have made that if he doesn't inquire, then he will be criminally charged also.
So there are other provisions about where the punishment is also proposed for people who financially.
See, this is question is we have proposed in this act a punishment apart from the IPC. So this is an additional punishment which provisions have been made.
So provisions are being made for. I mean, you are proposing that there should be punishment for people who financially aid lynching.
Everybody.
And minds behind it.
Question is what we have done is abatement, as I've said. Abatement. Even though there is a provision that abatement will also be punished in the IPC, but it is not codified as such. What we have done is we have codified what abatement means and whom you can call as abaters. So that is one change that has been introduced.
So are there any existing law that you took inspiration from? Well,
so you see, this is basically the committee who has prepared it. We have just provided them input, and therefore they are in a better position to say as to from which part of the world they have brought in all these things.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for watching.